What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a refrigerator clean, declutter, and organize with me. Here is the before clip of my refrigerator, and as you can see, I need to clean it and organize it for my family and I. I have two small children who need things on the go, so it's very important that I organize the refrigerator a way that is not only simple but also very practical for us. So step one, we're going to start with the decluttering. Take every single thing out of the refrigerator and of course check for expiration dates and throw away whatever is expired. I wanted to specifically show you guys this part, this behind the scene, this before look to so you guys can see how my fridge really looked. It's not always pretty, although at the end of the video you're going to see how pretty it looks, but it's not always this pretty. This is real life, and you see all this dirt. Things happen, and we don't always have time to do everything. So this is why it was very important to just clean it, organize it, declutter everything. Now for step two, I'm cleaning and just really scrubbing down all these parts of the refrigerator to make sure that it's nice and clean. All these very dirty things that you saw, I'm cleaning all of those, and I'm not using any harsh chemicals. It's really just a new sponge, a little hard one that can really scrub all these things down at the bottom. And then after that, I use a paper towel to just wipe it down. My daughter over here giving me some encouragement. She was telling me, "You're doing a very good job, Mommy." Yep, I am wiping down with a paper towel. I'm done cleaning everything. Now I'm wiping them down, wiping them dry. Now is the best part, the time to organize, okay? Just if you have any clear organizing bins, you can just go ahead and put some of your foods in them so that you can organize your fridge very nicely. Organizing your foods in clear containers is it not only it looks clean, it is just so nice and so satisfying, to be able to see everything you have right there. And is it absolutely necessary? No. But is it nice to have? Yes, because it makes your refrigerator looks very nice, very clean, and it looks as if you spent so much more time, to just organize it. I am now just taking away all these fruits because my kids love them. So I'm just taking them and put them into this big fruit bin so that whenever they need to, they can just on the go just go grab some. And if I have to give them food, I can also just put some. It's 3 different types of fruits in there. I've got blueberries, I've had cherries and those black grapes and green grapes. Now we have to also keep in mind I only have a 2-door refrigerator, okay? So I have to work with what I have. If I had a much bigger refrigerator, then of course I would have a separate bin for the green grapes. I would have a separate bin for, you know, black grapes and the cherries and all that jazz. But this is working for now. It's good. So we're making some progress. As you can see, I have put back some of the dairy products in there because I want to make sure that they're not staying outside for too long so that they do not go bad. All these cheeses and all these dairy stuff, I put them back, and of course we're making some progress. I washed some of the fruits and vegetables, cut them up and put them in there already. Just organizing some more. Like, this is really, you guys really need to try organizing your foods in your refrigerator that way. Like, if you have, do you have a specific area or room or space in your home you want to clean or organize, but because you work during the day just like I do, or you go to school all day and you have no energy after work or after school to just start cleaning? I have a good tip for you, okay? So what you need to do is set an alarm for yourself for about 30 minutes, okay? And give yourself exactly 30 minutes to get that thing done. And boy, oh boy, you'll be surprised to see what you can get done within that specific time frame. I promise you, try it. So as you can see here, I am switching things around just a little bit, because don't be afraid to just switch things around and just reposition things just to make it fit for you and your family's needs, okay? I have small children, so I make sure that all these little things are like right at eye level so that they can see it, they can reach it, and I can also see it. This is where the clear bins comes in handy. I can see it. And yeah, when I don't have any, I see. Are y'all ready for the reveal? Yeah? So this is my freezer. This is how I fixed it. As you can see, it's not overly packed, but it has exactly what I need in there for my family and I. Up there I have fruits, and right down there I have frozen vegetables. And now for the refrigerator part at the bottom. This is what it's looking like. This is the finished product. All these things on the door are used daily, if not more in a day. Over here I have all these dairy stuff, the milks and milk products and yogurt. Right there I have fruits. These two bins have fruits, and over there I also have fruit cups and applesauce on the go, and juices on the go. I have more fruits down there. These are vegetables. As you can see, I have some vegetables in there that are washed and just right there ready to go. More vegetables, onions, beets, sweet potatoes, and carrots. And more vegetables over here, just some spinach and a bag of potatoes. It got stuck in there, I couldn't even open it. Yep, this is what it looks like. Inside this little drawer is the cheese drawer, and deli meat for them to make their little sandwiches in the morning for breakfast. Halos, oranges, they need those, and some bread, and of course more fruits here. Those are the different grapes and blueberries and cherries. Yep. This is for my coffee, my milk, and that milk in the back is my children's milk. This is it, you guys. This is the door. This is only my 2-door refrigerator. I'm giving you guys another look at the freezer to see even if you have a big refrigerator, if you have a small refrigerator, you can have it clean and organized. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video inspired you to clean your own refrigerator and get it nice and organized. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, for fashion, for beauty, and everyday life, mom life videos. Bye.